Hey friends, let's do Heaven's on Fire guitar lesson by Kiss. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along, and we'll do the solo at the end. Now with this song, they're not tuned to E or E flat, they're in between the two. So the best way to get it is tuned to E flat, then instead of 440 tuning, bring that up to 450, and that gives you tuning for the song. So we play the intro and then we'll break it down. And that's the intro there, it's just a G. We're going to strum down once and then two up strums. And that's the intro there. Now let me play the verse for you. So again, we're just starting on the G, we just go down and then up, one more up, then go to D, just don't play the high E string, two ups, up and then back to G. So we have down, up to the D, up and back to the G, up, and we do that again. So G down, up on the D, up, and then back to the G, up. Now we hold this last G, we're going to do two down, so we go down, 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 and then an up's going to be on the open because we're getting ready for the pre-chorus there. So that last little part. Then we have the pre-chorus, let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page and that'd be great. So we're just starting with this blues pattern. On the C power chord, 3 on the A, 5 on the D, play it 2 times, and then go to 7 on the D, keep 3 on the A, and then back to 3 and 5, and we do that 4 times, so slowly. And the last one we just finish on the 3 and the 7, then go to 3 and 5, so a G power chord 2 times. Now come up to 6 on the E, 8 on the A, and do a small bend, and back to the G power chord, and do that again. Then we go back to the C power chord, but do a down up before you start, and then straight back to the blues pattern again. The last one we do, that finish on the 7, then come up to 6 on the A, 8 on the D, do a down up again, and we're starting the blues pattern this time, but now we're coming up to the 10th fret on the D. So do it 2 times, then move up 2 frets, and we're doing 8 on the A, 10 on the D, and do the pattern just 2 times again, the blues pattern, so we're coming to the 12th fret on the D. So let me do that slowly for you. And that's our pre-chorus there, then we have our chorus, let me play that for you. So coming from that verse, the first note we play is an open E, so we got to the G, so end of the verse, open E, straight to the G, come up to 6 on the E, 8 on the A, and do a slight bend, back to the G, play the G 2 more times, up to the 6 and the 8 bend, and come up 2 frets, 8 and 10, play it 2 more times, back to the bend on 6 and 8, back to 8 and 10, 2 more on 8 and 10, back again to 6 and 8 bend, and 3 and 5. And we just do that through 2 times. The second time, don't play the open E at the start. So slowly. And that's our chorus there. We do it through 2 times. From there we go back to the verse, that's exactly the same, back to the pre-chorus the same, back to the chorus the same. And then we have the little bridge. Let me play that for you. So we're starting on this F power chord, 8 on the A, 10 on the D and the G. Come back to the C, 3, 5 and 5. Then we're doing this little blues lick. We're going to start on the 2nd fret. This is all done on the D and the G string. 2nd fret, D and G, slide to 3rd fret. Go back to the 2nd fret, D and G, and open D and G. And do that little part 4 times. 3, 4. Then just repeat that again. The F, to the C, riff again. One more time on the F, and then the C. Then from there we have our solo rhythm, so let me play that for you, and we'll do the solo at the end. So it's just all on the 3rd fret on the E string. We play it once, then 2, and then again, and that's the 1st bar. 2nd bar we just play 2 times. 3rd bar again. Do that again. And just before we go back into the pre-chorus, we just do a 1, 2, 3 and build up on the G power chord 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3. And that's our solo rhythm there. Then we have our next pre-chorus. So the only difference here is we're not putting the bend in. So we're starting the same on the 3 and the 5 on the C, and then our blues pattern. Finish on the 7, then do the G power chord 2 times. Then the next part of the pre-chorus just finishes exactly the same as the first pre-chorus. And that's that pre-chorus. Then we go back to the chorus and we just keep repeating that to the end. Then we have the solo, so let's have a look at that now. And we just do that through 4 times. So we start on the 8th fret on the E string, play 10 on the B, 10 on the G, then play the 10th fret on the G and the B together, slide up to the 12th fret, play 10 E, and then play 10 on the G and the B together. Come back to 8B, 8E, back to 10 on the B, and then to finish off do 10 on the G and the B, slide up to 12. And we just repeat that 4 times, so slowly. And that's our solo there, and they're all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Heaven's on Fire guitar lesson by Kiss. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.